Which of the following is not a true statement? 0 cannot be divided by any real number. 500% is more than 6. Negative 230 is less than negative 14. Or any whole number is also an integer. Okay, we're looking for which of the following is a false statement, in other words. Which of these is false? Okay? Let's look at statement number 1 here. 0 cannot be divided by any real number. Well, let's show a calculator on the screen. And we'll hit in the number 0 down here. Punch in 0. Okay. Then we'll hit divided by. And then we'll say 6. And then I'll hit the equals. And that gave me an answer, didn't it? Okay. Alright, so right on the surface you say, well, 0 can be divided by a real number, right? But the key to this is saying any real number. Okay, any real number. Alright? If you you automatically want to say, well, this is false. This is the one that's false. But let's pick one that's a real number. Let's pick another real number besides 6. Okay? If you divide some number by 0, that's a real number, isn't it? Okay? So this is a true statement. 0 cannot be divided by 0. So to say that this is false is not really right, is it? This is a true statement. Because if you said 0 cannot be divided by the real number 0, then you'd have to say this is true because of this. So this is not our answer. Okay? This is not our answer. Alright? Now let's look at this one right here. 500% is more than 6. What is 500%? If you had 5.00, what number would that be? 500% is the same thing as 5.00, which is 5, isn't it? Well, if you put 5 in here, is that more than 6? 5 is not more than 6. So this is the correct answer for this problem. Okay? Alright? This is the correct answer here. This is the one that is not a true statement. Because 5 is not more than 6. Now let's look at this one here. Negative 230 is less than negative 14. Let's find that on a number line here. Negative 230, we'll put this over here, and we'll say negative 14 is here, and we'll put 0 right here. Now, is it true that this number is less than this number? Well, it's on the left side of it, so that would be a true statement. This is true. Okay? So, moving right on, any whole number is also an integer. Any whole number is also an integer. Well, this statement, let's look at the whole numbers here. This is the statement that says the set of all x such that x is a whole number. What's another way of writing the whole numbers? These are the whole numbers, aren't they? And any one of these numbers you have here is also going to be an integer. Any 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, it's also an integer. So this would be a true statement, wouldn't it? So the only one we're coming up with that's false is this one. Okay? Alright. This statement, when you say 0 cannot be divided by 0, that's true. So 0 cannot be divided by any real number, that's true. Okay? Alright, so the only one we're coming up with is this for the answer right here.